so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to.
Hey everyone, so today's wig comes from RPGHair. Here's how the box came. Real quick, I've never ordered or worked with RPGHair before, so this is my first time, and y'all, I am super duper impressed. So here's all that came with my order. The wig itself is a 24-inch 180% density water curly unit. This is a closure wig. I believe it's one of those 9x6, you know, the larger lace closure wigs, which is perfect for a girl like me. I love versatility. I love having options, so being able to part wherever I need to and wear my wig gluelessly it's literally chef's kiss. It's a win-win for me. The lace is HD. It did come with bleached knots, a pre-plucked hairline. The wig combs are removable along with that adjustable band. Now, I already knew that I was going to have to put in some elbow grease and define the curls right out the box because it did come out poofy as I showed you guys. What I am going to do is go in with some wax, and I just want to use this to get the hairline together, have it, you know, put together, because I do like wearing my wigs, you know, with the hairline pushed back versus, you know, forward. If you're into having the hair fall in your face, then by all means, you know, have the hairline how you see fit. But I personally am liking the whole pushback hairline type of look on myself. And I am going to use that wax stick to define, not the wax stick, I'm using that wax to define the parting as well. And I'm careful to not actually comb through the entire hair so I don't, you know, end up straightening and getting the pattern out of the hair. Now, as you guys can see, the hair is poofy. She is super big. So I am going to show you all how with just water, I can take it from poofy to define, moisturize, just luscious. So I like to use my misting spray bottle, and I like to use this shower comb. It's wide. It has wide teeth, so it's able to break the curls apart. And then I go in with my denim brush just to kind of define the curls. I'm using lots and lots of clips. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this hair together. I did use the clips to help section off the hair, and I am drenching this section of hair with water. There's only water in this bottle, you guys. You don't need an excessive amount of product on curly hair when you first like receive your hair extensions or your wig. I highly recommend not using too many type of products on curly hair off rip, only because you don't want to weigh the hair down. You don't want to get it super greasy and oily when you're freshly starting to wear it. So that's why I like to use water first versus anything else. As time goes on and I wear this unit a lot longer, I feel like then, you know, with maintenance, with my maintenance routine, I can use like mousse, a little bit of silicone mix, a little bit of leave-in conditioner, what have you, but it's not needed or it's not necessary when you're first wearing the wig. And yeah, this is how the curls are looking once I do my whole little routine. So first, of course, we're going to drench the section of hair with water, and then we're going to go in with our comb, the wide tooth comb, just to break the curls apart. And then after that, we're going to go in with our Denman brush just to define the curls. And that's literally what I'll do all throughout the unit.
If you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. And now it's me and you. Now baby,
So now that all of that is done, we're going to let this wig air dry overnight or until I'm ready to actually wear the unit and install it, which you'll see in the next clip. Here we have the unit fully dried and it looks so freaking good. I love this curl pattern. It's such a good blend between like the water wave and the curly pattern. It gives like, so far it gives like it's going to be manageable, which is a lot to say because I know like kinky curly or curly hair in general, it's high maintenance. It's super high maintenance, but I did want to show you guys like the wig kind of sat behind my hairline, so I had to go in with some spray. I used some bedhead just to kind of help blend that lace into my hairline, which was great. It blended in super seamlessly because there was not too much lace left out. I didn't even go in and cut any of the excess lace. I just installed it as is, and y'all, it blended in really good with my skin, and more so like it blended in with my hairline, so it wasn't apparent to like the naked eye that the wig was sitting behind my hairline. But you know, now the wigs behind the hairline is starting to trend again, rightfully so, because come on y'all, it looks so good, and it's much more natural when it's sitting behind the hairline. But yeah, this is it. This is how it's looking. Yeah, I like this here. I like this pattern. It's called water curly, so it's like, I want to say it's between the patterns water wave and curly, like a Jerry curly type of pattern. I feel like this is a good mix between those two patterns, and it's very low maintenance in my humble opinion. When I took it out the package, I knew that I would only need water on this hair. It's just something about knowing that good quality hair doesn't need so many products. As I continue to wear the wig, of course, over time, I would have to go in with maybe like some silicone mix or some type of deep conditioner just to ensure that the hair itself is getting all the, you know, all the TLC that it would need to look its best. Out the pack, you don't need heavy conditioners. You don't need anything other than water. I would say use just a little bit of mousse. You can use 𝐿𝐥𝐿, Cream of Nature. Those are my two top favorite brands when it comes to mousse. Those are the only type of products that I would say you need out the box with this type of pattern. But I only use water. I show you guys exactly how I, you know, define curly hair, and this pattern did not disappoint. It's super full. It's so pretty. It's luscious. I love it. I'll have this wig linked down below so that you guys can check it out, along with any available coupon codes so that you can save at checkout. Let me know what you all think about this unit and the pattern in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.